much for joining in. So we're asking this question to everyone: what is artificial intelligence? And I know everyone has a point of view. So if you've got a point of view on what is artificial intelligence, then please send me a direct message, and I will try and get you here. So now today I have Aruna Kolluru, who has kindly offered to provide her point of view on what is artificial intelligence. So give me a second, and I'll bring her on. Hi, Aruna. How are
Hi,
you?
Toby. I'm good, thanks. Good to
Welcome
be
to
back.
the show.
Sorry?
I said, welcome to the Shelly Show.
Thank you. Good to be back.
Good stuff. Aruna, introduce yourself to the audience. This is to the Twitter world.
Sure. I'm Aruna Kolluru, Chief Technologist for AI, covering APJ at Dell Technologies. My focus, again, is on AI.
Good stuff. So you are the right person to ask one simple question. What is artificial intelligence in your point of view?
Sure. So simply, right, like not in the definition terms, but when machines can solve problems that normally humans do with our intelligence is what is AI.
Okay.
Right? It's just copying or mimicking human intelligence.
Yep. So I used to say that, and I say that again and again. It is mimicking human intelligence. That is artificial intelligence for us. Do you have any use case, or you want to elaborate before you go to the use case?
Sure. I think it comes from age-old things, right? Like in 1950, Turing mentioned whether machines can think. That was a question. And before 1955, when it's been defined, kind of defined, right? Like where they said AI is something like we got a definition of it in 1955 Dartmouth conference, and it's all about some of these things, right? Like simulating higher functions of the brain,
Mhm,
programming a computer to really use some normal language,
mhm,
arranging hypothetical neurons in a manner so that it can actually form some kind of concepts.
mhm,
It's really determining and measuring a problem complexity and
mhm,
improving itself, like self improvement. And it's also defined as a quality of dealing with ideas rather than events. Like
mhm,
normally it was events within the machines. And
mhm,
then randomness and creativity. Right? These are seven things which has been defined. Now it's changed a lot.
mhm,
The number of things which we get into the AI has changed a lot, but basically these are the things. I think we are very close to some of them,
mhm,
like arranging the hypothetical neurons to get some concepts, whether it's human language or vision, and understanding and finding patterns in the data, like given a set of data. Humans are really good at finding patterns, right? Or grouping together things into clusters. And machines are even better when we give a large amount of data. And now we are actually seeing the evolution from the beginning that it's been changing. Now we can actually identify a scene with computer vision, and we can actually understand the language and respond with natural language processing. And a lot of this happening in every day for us. Like we're using it every day, even though we don't think, whether it's in, like you said, the use cases or the applications. Siri has natural language processing, or any assistant, right? Like Google Assistant or any chatbot we are talking to online. It's all about natural language processing. And when you log on to Facebook, or you have this face ID detection when you get into your machine, or even iPhones, that's again AI. We have been using it everywhere. Still, we are trying to enhance it more and more, right? It's
mhm,
just going on. The evolution is going on. And if you have seen that GPT-3, how it's actually writing those articles and stories. It's
mhm,
unbelievable that a machine has done that kind of stories. And we also seeing that creativity kind of a thing more and more.
mhm.
The randomness and creativity, I think that's where it still has a lot of potential. We did not scratch, we just started scratching the surface, but there's a lot of potential there.
Good stuff. Any use case, any particular use case that you were involved in, or any use case you want to share with the audience? Go ahead.
In terms of the use cases, recently we're working with manufacturing, right? Defect detection and things like that. It's a very common thing.
Mhm,
And humans are normally sitting there looking at those, whatever it is on the production line. looking for scratches, looking for dents, and looking for all this defects on the product. And that's something which is very easily acquired to human with intelligence, right? Like we don't need to learn anything in particular, but machines can do that way more effective than humans because we
Of course.
just get bored with routine things.
Mhm.
And when you said the evolution, I think that's what it is, right? Um, when a human gets to do things in a routine, like it becomes a routine for them, that's
Mhm.
when we want machines to do that, and that becomes AI.
Yep, yep. Good stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Shelly.
Thank you. So, guys, that was Aruna Kolluru from Dell, and that was her point of view on what is artificial intelligence. So, if you have a point of view on what is artificial intelligence and you want to share it with the rest of the world, here is your opportunity. Just send me a direct message wherever you are, and I'll try to bring you on to answer this question. One simple question: what is artificial intelligence? And the reason why am I doing that is because whenever you go to Twitter and type artificial intelligence, mostly people are talking about robots. But I think it's far more than that. And I think people need to learn what actually it is, what is running, what is the core of artificial intelligence and what it is. And so this is an opportunity for you to share your ideas, your understanding of what is artificial intelligence with the entire world. So if you've got a point of view, a thought, then send me a direct message and I'll bring you here. If you're watching this on Twitter, please follow me. If you're watching this on YouTube, then please subscribe. My YouTube ID is Shalendra Kumar S. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you're watching this on LinkedIn by any chance, then you can follow me. My ID is Shalendra Kumar. And if you're watching this on Facebook, if someone has taken this to Facebook, then please like and share it with the rest of the audience so more and more people can understand what is artificial intelligence. So, guys, thank you very much for watching this episode, a short one on from Aruna on how is or what is artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye now.